What's up everybody, it's Peter, welcome to the channel, and this is gonna be part 2 about Nikko Centipede RC car. Like I said in my previous video, the car is really amazing, really unique, quite rare, from early 90s. I used to have one of those back then, and this one I bought on eBay. So far I'm quite happy with purchase. I mean, everything looks kind of in one piece. Now I'm analyzing battery with my charging station. Pretty much kind of tried bring it back to life. Also, remote has a missing antenna, and I got different remote. Well, I got this car as well, also Rarest, with that controller. I mean the controller board, which eventually I'd like to probably, since electronic is dead, I was gonna swap it to modern RC equipment. But I do have old original transmitter for this guy. Well, actually it's 49 megahertz, and this one is 27, and they will not work. But in case, probably I can take it antenna. Well, actually this antenna is a wire antenna. It's got different mounting points, and this is supposed to be round. Oh, you know what? I do have some antennas from my other RC cars. Let me find it where they are. And over here. They probably not gonna work. Well, one I see already, it's too big, and the other one also too big. Let's put it battery, and we're gonna try it this RC car without antenna. It did take some voltage already. Okay guys, let's keep it finger crossed, and let's hope it's gonna work. No, actually it's on. Doesn't work. Let's check. Oh, I put it 9-volt battery in the wrong direction. Oh yeah, look at that. And on this RC car, compared to Tyco Fast Track, Turbo Landshark from Nikko as well, on this one the left stick is a forward and reverse, and right stick is a left and right. It's too bad the tracks is not individually controlled. That will be really awesome, but still you can do 360 no problem. Okay, that's a good sign. At least we know its car is working.